This is the inside of the coconut. When it has already a small child, then inside you get this. Huh? And we eat this. This is yummy. Okay. Now we're going to cut coconut here in the field. Oh, a caribou baby, look. So nice. Now this is the new way here, nearly finishing. Now we have here also a special plant. I think it's the family of papaya. It's really interesting. Get some fruits here, but it's not possible to eat them. Find wild caladiums, which sell in our country very expensive. How to get the coconut from the tree? Oh! Good!
Okay.
Here we have more coconuts, look.
Hey! Hoy! Wag dyan lang! Wilma ha! Wilma!
We go.
Tawid daw!
What? Yeah.
Butas yung isa.
Taking out the high coconut with extension. There is a knife in front. Aha. So you can get the coconuts there. It's an eggplant farm.
No, it's all rejected. All the vegetables are rejected.
What means this?
Because have lot of insects. Tikto.
Reject white cucumber, no?
Oh, neto pa. Nito kung saan na. Bakit ma? Ha? Ano pa?
Have a lot.
Ba yung green o yan? Picturean pa kayo ho. Malabang.
Already here in evening time, and it is already at 6:30 o'clock. It is night here, and we're preparing the food. So now, how do we get the coconut out of the skin? And I'm not professional in this. People who know work with this machine, they take about 1 second, but I already practiced a little bit, and when you don't have this, you can also work with the machete and cut your hands, but I prefer this equipment. It's really not difficult. And afterwards, this coconut fiber can use against the mosquitoes. And the rest, how do we? Now I take a hammer or a knife, they use machete, and then always hit here, and then it opens just in this line. Then you can take the water out. There's a lot of water and drink the water. Here are the ripe, really big coconuts, and so we make the, I don't know how is the coconut. We have a special chair with a knife. So after we press out, and we have the coconut milk, you know? Yeah. And the rest gets the pig for eating. And Rascal likes also coconut. And here we have some greens which we put into the food What is the name of this one?
Malunggay.
Amalunggay.
I will take picture.
What is the name? Amalunggay?
Malunggay.
Malumbat.
Saluyot rather.
Salute. And this is chirimoya.
Atis.
Atis. This is like a chirimoya, no?
Masarap.
Eat little bit, let we see.
You.
This is the honey fruit, chirimoya. Now we search the tree. It's here. And is there not another fruit on the tree? It looks like this. Really beautiful. Okay, 2 fruit more. But they are not ripe.
Yes.
They need a little bit time more. Here, it's really nice. I love this jungle here. And we have, since more than 1 week, we have wonderful weather. Here we enjoy when it's not raining. When it's raining, it gets sticky. This is a cotton banana trunk. And you see it has a really interesting structure with these cameras. You can see here easily. Most of the cameras are only air, so the banana grows really quickly. So a banana like this can grow up in half year when it has enough water. What you are doing, crazy? My preferred dog. What you are doing? This was my first video about coconut. And it is so important here. Most of the economy in this region of the Philippines is based on coconut. And you can see we can make food of it. We can use the fiber. We can use it for burning, for fire, for cooking. There is a big coconut oil production. We can use the fiber. We can eat this interior of the coconut. This is really wonderful. This is when it's sprouting and a small coconut palm comes out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you. I'm so happy to provide these videos here from this beautiful Philippines, and there will come more. So please stay tuned for more footage.